Naturally Beautiful Girl. I am really overdue for another speed reviews video, so that's what we're sitting down and doing today. In the spirit of the video, I'm going to keep this introduction very short, but basically I try out a lot of products and they don't always fit into a neat category of where I can review them, so that's kind of where this video comes in, where I can give you hopefully quick and concise reviews on 5 products that I've been testing out. This time we've got a whole bunch of skincare and some hair care products as well. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so the first product I'm going to start off with is this one here from Good Molecules. I love Good Molecules skincare. When I saw that they were coming out with this Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel, I was fully on board. Caffeine around the eye area can be really helpful in depuffing, and who doesn't want a little bit of depuffing help around the eyes? One of the things I really love about Good Molecules, on top of them being really transparent about their ingredients, is also that they are really affordable. And especially because eye creams are notorious for being extremely expensive, I wanted to pick this up and try it out for you guys. And I have been testing this out. It is a really nice clear gel that you can put on your under eyes. You can use it at morning or at night. However, my experience has been that using it in the morning is not that great. I have found that when I try and put a concealer on top of this product, that it does ball up a little bit. That can be a problem you can encounter with really a lot of different skincare products, including like water-based face serums. I'd hope that this one would play nicely under makeup. However, I didn't find that to be the case. Regardless of any kind of depuffing properties that this provides, I would rather just use something else that doesn't ball up under my makeup, because that is just obnoxious. I don't know if you've experienced that, but it is really hard to deal with, and it just steps you off on a bad makeup foot for the rest of the day. So for that reason, I'm kind of so-so on this. I have been using it at night and enjoying it. I haven't noticed a huge difference. I say that about a lot of eye creams. I never noticed like a big dramatic difference from using one to another. I think it is good to use some sort of moisturizing product around your eyes, just because everyone is prone to getting fine lines and wrinkles. Keeping that area moisturized certainly will help with that. So I think it's nice. I appreciate that it's affordable, but it really just doesn't wear well under makeup. So for that reason, it's not my favorite, but I think if you're looking for a more affordable eye cream, it is a good one to check out. Just keep in mind that you wouldn't want to use it when using makeup. The next product was sent to me by the brand Lamour. Lamour is a Mongolian skincare brand, which is super cool. I've only met one person in my entire life from Mongolia. In college, there was a guy that lived in my dorm who was from Mongolia, and I just thought it was like so fascinating, because really the population of Mongolia is not that large, and like that's probably the one person from Mongolia that I will ever meet. Except I say that, but I actually met 2 people from the island of Mauritius, which is also a very tiny island. So maybe I'll meet another person from Mongolia at some point. But I've been trying out this brand of Lamour skincare. They did send me a few products, and I wanted to talk about this one particularly. This is their Repairing Hyaluronic Serum. It is a water-based serum, and I have really been enjoying it. I've been using it during the day. As you can see here, it's really interesting. It's really liquidy. A lot of serums tend to be kind of, I want to say like more of a gel, kind of thicker. This one's like super liquidy. I don't know how to describe it other than it reminds me of a cross between like between a water-based serum and an oil-based serum, only because oil-based serums are the only other product that I've really tried that's been like quite this liquidy, and that, I don't know, but it's not oily at all. It's super lightweight. It provides a great amount of moisture, and it also sits really well under makeup. This type of product is something that I would use in the morning as my serum product. I always use my Juice Beauty blemish clearing serum at night. That's kind of like my staple nighttime serum. Nothing gets swapped in for that one, because it is what keeps my acne at bay, and I need all the help I can get in that regard. But this one I have loved to use during the morning. It is the winter time right now. I'm wearing a big sweater, and my skin can get a little bit drier even though I do have oily skin, and this product just provides a great amount of moisture. I also love that it's a hyaluronic acid based product, so it is something that's really going to help with moisture and water retention, and it's not overly laden with actives. So if you're looking for a serum that's going to add some moisture to your skin but not necessarily be an exfoliating acid or something like that, I think that this would be a great product to check out. And I've really been impressed. I've heard really great things about the line in general, and I can see why This is certainly a lovely product, and yeah, I would highly recommend it if you're looking for something like this. All right, the next three products are all from Root. Root has been launching a lot of awesome products left, right, and center, and I get intrigued every once in a while and I have to pick some up and try them out. So I did place an order pretty recently, and one of the products I had been super curious about trying is this one right here. This is the Root Daylight Pore Minimizing Primer SPF 30. I do wear SPF daily. Even when staying home, my desk actually is in front of a window, and I need to be like in front of windows and light. I'm pretty sure I get this, what is it called? The seasonal affective disorder. I am from Florida, and I'm just used to a lot of sunlight all year round, and especially with days being really short during the winter, I feel it. I feel it. And so I do have my desk set up in front of a window to really try and help with that as much as possible. That being said, I'm getting sun regardless of whether I'm going outside or not. So it's really important to always wear sunscreen, especially for me with staying inside. So I have been trying this out, and there are things I like about this product, and there's one big thing that I don't like about this product. First thing is, I love the formula of it. I want to say it's not an overly glowy, hydrating, moisturizing type of sunscreen. It's definitely a little bit more on the matte side, and I do have oily skin, and it's really rare to actually find like kind of more matte sunscreens. However, there is one big drawback, which is this thing white casts me so badly. The problem I've been having with this product is it white casts me so badly. I think you can see that on my hand here. You can definitely see where the sunscreen is. I have really fair skin, and if I am struggling with a sunscreen white casting me, if you have a deeper skin tone, it's only going to be more of a problem. I really wish that they tried to mix a little bit of tint in it just to cut the zinc oxide, because as you can see, it is just very much a white casting sunscreen. If you are putting it under makeup, once you get your foundation on, it's okay. But it is not a sunscreen that I would wear on its own, or even if I were doing like just concealer or something like that, I wouldn't want to use it just because it is such a white casting sunscreen. So that is a big drawback. Maybe Root in the future will come out with some like tinted versions. I could see that being really great. I don't think I would recommend it just because like I love the Kinship sunscreen, and I don't have as much of a white casting problem with that one. The last two products are also from Root, and I was so excited to see them launch these. This is their shampoo bar and their conditioner bar. I have both of them here. This is the shampoo, and this one is the conditioner. I have to say, these products smell amazing. The shampoo bar in particular, I'm not entirely sure what the scent of it is, but it smells so good. I don't even know. It's like, I can't describe it. It just smells really good. The conditioner smells good too. It's just the shampoo bar gives off more of a scent. When I opened this package, I could smell these products immediately. It was really good. If you don't like hair products with a lot of scent, these may not be for you. But I was so excited to see these because I've been trying to minimize the packaging and like my body care and hair care products. I've been trying to use things like bars of soap as my body wash, and shampoo bars and conditioner bars as my hair care products. And I have to say, I have oily hair, and this shampoo bar works really well. It suds up really well. It cleans my hair really well. I mean, that's why my hair is looking so great today. Guess what products I used? These two. So I've really been enjoying this, and I also like the Audacity shampoo bar. They're both really great. I was just excited to try this one out from Root. I think it's really great. If you're looking for a way to transition to using bar, shampoo, or conditioners, I would say definitely check this one out. Check the Audacity shampoo bar out. They're both really great. They work really well. They get your hair clean. They suds up well. They smell great. What more could you want? The conditioner bar I actually was really happy with. I tried out the conditioner bar from Be Kind, and I just wasn't quite, I don't know, I just didn't feel like it was quite conditioning enough. This one I do really like. The trick I figured out with using this is to actually rub the conditioner bar in your hair when it's wet. And because the whole thing that's difficult with a conditioner bar is because it doesn't lather up like a shampoo bar. You can't get like a lather and then transfer that into your hair. But I found if I actually just like wipe this through my hair and then use my hands to kind of spread it around, It works really well. I've been really impressed by how my hair looks. My hair is naturally straight. I have it curled today, but it's really prone to being tangled. I don't know why that is, but when it is wet, it is like super tangly. It's been like that since I was a small child. When I have a good conditioner, it really helps with that and helps me to get it combed out. And this, I've been like combing right through my hair, no problem. It's leaving my hair really soft, really nourished. I love it. These are two products I will definitely keep using, and they're a great addition to my hair routine, and I really have been enjoying them. So with that being said, I've powered through my 5 products as quickly as I can. I'm a little tired, I feel like I've been talking really fast, but hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy hearing my thoughts on these products, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you like hearing about clean beauty, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And also come follow me on Instagram. I'm at naturallybeautifulgirlkat there. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!